All right, we're recording. All right, guys. So we're on lesson 5, number 6. So the first question is just asking what the mean and what the standard deviation was. So, I mean, the information was right there. I had the mean as 150.8 and the standard deviation is 8.8.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That one's the easiest one of it all.
Yeah.
All right. So for 6B, it says what proportion of the people. So, and you guys can take over too. I feel like I talk way too much. I apologize.
So
0.614, and that's just by score into the probability applet.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I got that too. I got the z-score as the 1.61, and then I shaded the right side, and then it gave me for the percentile at the top 0.0533. So I didn't know if we were supposed to put the z-score or if it wanted. So I wrote both down.
yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah. What
What'd you guys get for C?
Oh, C. Oh.
So it asks for if they score in the 10th percentile, what would their z-score be? So
I have their z-score is minus 1.282.
yeah, same here. I put 0.1 in that area box, the percentile box on the applet on the top, and it gave, and I shaded the left side because it was under the 50th percentile, and yeah, that's what it gave me, was the negative 1.2.
Yeah.
If anyone has a better way to do this, let me know.
No, I think that's the best way. That's how they did it in the video.
Yeah, thank heavens for those videos. I'm a visual learner. I need those. All right. And D, what'd you guys get for D?
I have 162.08.
What'd you guys get? Sorry.
I got 162.08.
Okay. I got
9.5.
Yeah, that's what I got too for D.
What did you use
for the formula? I put the x, the variable, equaling 150.8, the mean plus. But Christina, you know what? I actually got that number the first time because, and this is what I did differently. The first time, I multiplied negative 1.282 times 8.8, and then I added 150.8. But am I making sense? But I realized that you have to enter it into the calculator how it just like 150. I don't know if you did that, but it gives two total different answers.
I isolated x and solved for x because I think it's asking for the x value there, or at least that's what the guy in the video said, and I just followed along with that.
Yeah. No, I got the same answer. Well, the answer, hold on, let me get my answer sheet. Does anyone have their answer sheet? I don't.
It's the 139.518 or 0.4, whatever, 0.5. It just stops at 0.5.
Okay. So.
Yeah, it says to round to 140.
Yeah.
Oh, it does. Gotcha. All right. Cool. All right. Let's go. Let's just keep moving. Sorry, I seriously feel like I'm on the verge of throwing up. All right, 7A. What'd you guys get for A? Oh, that was an easy one.
That's the 1800 and then 600.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What about B?
I got 0.1216.
0.12. Oh, yeah. Because on that one, you have to do the equation where you find the z-score, and then you've got to find, with the z-score, you have to find the area, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and the area is the. So anytime it asks for the probability, okay, sorry.
That one I got 0.8784.
Hey,
no. Yeah. What did you get? Talia, did you get something different? Sorry.
No, that one I had a hard time setting up. For B?
Okay, so for B, you do the you find the z-score, so you put 25, and tell me if I'm wrong, guys. I put the 2,500 being the mean, and then I subtracted the 1,800. Hold on, am I looking at the right one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're right.
Minus the 1,800, which was the mean, and then divided it by the standard deviation, 600, and so that gives you your z-score, the 1.167. So then, if you your applet, if you shade the right side and then type in
your score on that right bottom box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then hit enter, and then the area on the top part says that's the probability. The area is the probability. Or
does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
And if it doesn't, like I watched the video a couple times and then I was like,
Me
oh,
too. Yeah. I only
because
watched it.
yeah, I'd watch it because something that clicked the second time around for me was making sure the difference between if it's above the 50th percentile and below, and that'll give you, anyways, that kind of hit me. I make no sense. I'm so out of it. All right, 7C. So less than. So I just, for 7C, I just shaded like the middle and right area. Is that what you guys did? Is that how you got your answer?
and the left.
Yeah. Is that right?
Yeah.
Did I do that right?
I think so.
Okay. Because at 7C, it's asking for what's it if it's less than 2,500. So I'm just looking at my notes.
And then the next one, less than the 1,500, you just do the first one, the first part.
The first like triangular part, right?
Yeah.
Like on the left. Okay, gotcha.
That one was, I got 0.3085.
Yep.
For D, you're like subtracting the, isn't that right?
Yeah, for D, you have to get a different z-score, right?
Oh, D is just the very first part.
Okay.
Less than 1,500. And then E is when you do the in between the 1,500 and the 2,500. Your probability from the first one and the second one, you subtract the second one from the first one, and then you get, that's the shaded part in the middle of the two z-scores.
Okay, so I had a question on E. So you're getting the probability from the first and then the probability from the second and subtracting them. So
yeah,
From
so it should be 0.570.
So the probability on the first one was the 0.8784, and then you subtracted 0.3085. Is that correct?
Right.
Okay. I don't know why I was able to get everything, and that one was like not clicking in my brain. But now I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I'm writing notes down because I need them in my life. Okay. So sorry. Gotcha. Okay, and then okay, let me ask you this. The third quartile of the speeds of hydrogen at room temperature.
So that's the percentile.
Yeah.
So you're just putting the 0.75 in the area, the probability box on top.
Okay.
And then you hit enter, and you can highlight the first two sections. So that's the 75th percentile.
Gotcha.
Right? And then it'll show you, it should be 2204.7. Let me check, make sure it was right.
That makes perfect sense. I could not get, thank you, Jen.
Well, there says 2204.4, 04.7. I don't know why, but I figure that's good enough.
Yeah. I feel good about it. Okay. And then the Q plots. Did anyone have any questions on the Q plots?
Are you talking about quartiles?
Or number, yeah, number 8, sorry.
And the dots on it, the Q plots.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see.
It's like the graph with the line and the dots.
It's pretty much normal if they're all on the line. Even if they deviate a little
Or-
bit, it's still normal.
Like,
Sorry, as long as
If it's
they're on the
over-
line or they go up above the line, that's okay. But if it goes below the line, then that's not okay.
Yeah.
Were you guys able to look at on C? I print out the homework and it didn't print out the plot for C and E.
For C and
I
D.
guess Yeah. I have A, B, D. Oh wait, C and D. I guess I don't have E and F. Did you guys look at E and F?
So-
Those last two I didn't get. And maybe just have left the last paper at home or at work.
I think F is usual. I
You
don't
guys-
know.
okay.
Yeah, E was not normal. F was normal.
Yeah.
Because E has a bunch of crazy dots.
So A
Is-
was not normal, right? A was not normal,
Uh-huh.
and neither was B.
Yeah, B wasn't normal, not normal. C was
But
normal.
C was okay. What
Even though
about
it has
D?
some oddities
E
and
was
stuff.
normal.
E is not normal.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, thank you. E is not normal.
But D is normal, right?
My brain's not normal either. Yes.
Okay.
Is
Sorry,
Abby
the-
normal?
That's
Do I-
weird. I feel like you should
All
be
right.
normal.
I'll stop recording and then we can do the group.